want you to do is choose your own cake, cook it up with someone and share, sending your pictures and imagery to me at the Grove Primary School. Hello everyone, what a great week of baking. Fantastic cakes coming through, images coming through. This week I'm going to work on a Victoria sponge. First things first, clean hands, must wash them, important. So preparing ourselves for the bake, gonna get the oven on, whack that up to 170 degrees Celsius, 180. We've got all our ingredients out, and now we've got to grease 2 of our sandwich tins ready for the mixture to go in. I'm going to do 1.5 quantity because that gives you a little bit more mixture in the cake tin and it looks a more impressive cake. So we've got to work this out. We've got 175 grams of butter, or that stalk, so I need to find half of that, so I'm going to divide that by 2. 2's into 1 can't do, exchange, 2's and 17, 8. 8 2's are 16, we've got 1 left over to exchange. 15 divided by 2, 7. 7 2's are 14, we've got 1 left over. I'm not going to worry about that, we could keep going, it would give us 0.5. I'm going to round it up to 88 grams. So that's 88 grams added onto our 175 grams. 5 and the 8, 13, exchange, 8, 9, 16, exchange, 2. So we've got 263 grams of butter. Let's have a little look at the sugar. We've got the same amount of sugar. So that's our butter and our sugar quantity. 3 eggs. So if we've got 3 eggs, we want 1.5 eggs extra. So half of 3 is 1.5, so we want 1.5. So we want about 4.5 eggs. That's a little bit of trial and error, but it'll work. Self-raising flour, again, we've got the problem of very little flour in the shop, but it's the same amount again. Obviously everyone's doing lots of baking, which is absolutely fantastic, but I went into 3 shops this morning and couldn't find any anywhere. And then we've got 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to put that up to 3, a little bit extra because I've only got plain flour, so I haven't got that self-raising. So teaspoons of baking powder. And now we are ready to go. So all the ingredients in, lovely 4.5 eggs, and whisk it up. Everybody, that's been a fantastic week of baking. I thoroughly enjoyed this. Keep on baking. It's a great way of reinforcing your maths. Keep sending me pictures of your cakes or anything that you're baking. Look after yourself and stay safe. I'm really happy. I got